Dear students, today we are going to discuss regarding degree of dilution and calculations. I am Hemant Kumar Chauhan, Senior Lecturer from Principal K. M. Kundanani, Pharmacy Polytechnic, Ulhasnagar, Maharashtra, India. Preparation of percentage solution by diluting the concentrated solution. There are different formulas are given for calculating the percentage solution, also for dilution of concentrated solution. The one which is most important and most widely used is a degree of dilution, which is degree of dilution is equal to strength of concentrated solution upon strength of dilute solution. Second is a volume of stronger solution to be used is equal to volume required into percentage required upon percentage used. Volume of stronger acid to be used is given by weight required into percentage required upon percentage used. There are some percentage conversions are given because in most of the problem it is asked the percentage in the form of 1 in 100, 1 in 400, 1 in 1000, 1 in 2000 likewise. Therefore, if you want to convert into actual percentage, it gives like this given in the table. 1 in 100 is nothing but 100 by 100, that is 1%. 1 in 400 is 100 by 400, which is 0.25%. 1 in 1000 is nothing but 100 by 1000, that is 0.1%. 1 in 2000 is nothing but 100 by 2000, that is 0.05%. Likewise, whenever it is given, it is take multiply by 100 and divided by given quantity as given in the table. Next is we'll go for problems. The first, calculate the quantity of KMnO4 required to prepare 1 pint of 1 in 600 solution. Here, in last lecture, what we have seen about the quantity of solid required to get percentage solution and their formulas. We know that if you want to get a 1% W by V solution in imperial system, we need to add 4.375 grain of solid. In the given problem, it is stated 1 pint. 1 pint, it comes or it can be converted as 20 fluid ounce, and 1 in 600, which earlier in the slide we have seen that is 100 by 600, that is 0.166%. Therefore, by applying the formula of amount into percentage required into volume required, we can get the quantity of solid required. Now 4.375 grain into the percentage required is 0.166 into the volume required in fluid ounce is a 20. It means 14.58 grain, which is nothing but equivalent to 15 grain. It means that 15 grain of KMnO4 required to prepare 1 pint of 1 in 600 solution. Now we'll see the next problem. Calculate the number of grains required to make 8 fluid ounce of a 4% solution and label with direction for preparing a quart of a 1 in 2000 solution. This problem is divided into two parts. There are two steps involved in it. Half of the portion says that you determine the quantity of solid required to prepare 8 fluid ounce 400 4% solution. And other part, it is stated that using that 4% solution, you prepare a quart of a 1 in 2000 solution. Means what volume of 4% solution required to get a quart of a 1 in 2000 solution. Let's solve it. The step 1, to calculate the quantity of solid required. We know that 35 grain in 8 fluid ounce are required to prepare 1% W by V solution, which earlier in the videos we have seen, and it is given in imperial system. By applying formula amount into percent required into volume required, we can get 35 grain into 4 into 1 means 140 grain in 8 fluid ounce required to get 4% solution. Therefore, 140 grain of solid required to be added into 8 fluid ounce of solution to get 4% solution over here. Now the step 2, the volume of prepared solution, that is a concentrated solution required to make a quart of 1 in 2000 solution. Data given: strength of concentrated solution is 4%, strength of dilute solution is 0.05%, and the volume is 1 quart, that is of dilute solution, and 1 quart can be converted as 40 fluid ounce. We know the formula of degree of dilution, that is strength of concentrated solution upon strength of dilute solution. Now put the values. A strength of concentrated solution is 4 and strength of dilute solution is 0.05. Therefore, it gives 80 times the degree of dilution. The second thing is volume of concentrated solution required, that we are going to determine by the formula volume of dilute solution required upon degree of dilution. Volume of dilute solution required is 40 fluid ounce and degree of dilution is 80 times. It means that 40 divided by 80, it gives half fluid ounce. So half fluid ounce means 1 tablespoonful of concentrated solution required to be diluted to a quart, that is 40 fluid ounce, to make 1 in 2000 solution, that is 0.05% solution. Now the next problem: prepare 400 ml of a 5% solution and label with a direction for preparing 2-liter quantity of a 1 in 2000 solution. Pause the video and try to solve yourself. Now this problem involves again the 2 steps. In first step, it is asked to calculate the quantity of solid required to get 5% solution 400 ml, and in other half, using that 5% solution means what volume of 5% solution required to get 2-liter quantity of a 1 in 2000 solution. So let's start the solving. The first step is to determine the quantity required to get 400 ml of 5% solution. We know that 1 gram in 100 ml gives 1% W by V solution, which earlier in video we have seen. Therefore, 1 into 5, that is 5 gram in 100 ml gives 5% W by V solution. Now in 100 ml we required 5% 5 gram. So in 400 ml what quantity it is required? By cross multiplication we can calculate the quantity. 400 into 5 divided by 100, it means 20 gram. Means that 20 gram of solid required to get 5% solution, 400 ml. This is the first step of determining. Now the step 2. The volume of prepared solution, that is concentrated solution required to make a 2 liter, that is 2000 ml of a 1 in 2000 solution. Data given. Strength of concentrated solution is 5%. Strength of dilute solution is 0.05%, and volume of dilute solution required is 2 liter, that is 2000 ml. We know the formula of degree of dilution, that is strength of concentrated solution upon strength of dilute solution, that is 5 divided by 0.05, it gives 100 times the dilution. Second formula, we know that volume of concentrated solution required, that is volume of dilute solution required upon degree of dilution, that is 2000 ml divided by 100 times, it gives 20 ml. It means that 20 ml of concentrated solution is diluted to 2 liters to make 1 in 2000 solution. These are the some of the problem for your assignments. You can solve those at your home and submit. Thank you for watching this video. Send your response to given email ID.